Hello friend, welcome to DNP Studio 9. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Behind the sofa is a perfect place for your bookshelves. This is especially true if you live in a small space, or if you are working with a room that has weird architectural elements like steeply slanted ceilings. This little trick can save on space, and it looks chic too. How do you style a shelf in a living room? Consider placing artwork towards the back of the shelf and layer smaller decorative items in front. Using the depth of the shelf will create interest. Mix up book placement. Introduce decorative objects. Put an item on your stack. Decorate in odd numbers. Consider adding a vase of things. Add metallic accents. How do you display lots of books? Reappropriate your book art with books. Incorporate books into a picture ledge. Display your books on or below a windowsill. Use a hutch or buffet to display your books. Take advantage of hard-to-reach storage. Display your books on the mantel, or put your books in the fireplace. Simply stack them. If you don't have the spare cash for a bespoke bookcase, then there are many great floating or freestanding options like these IKEA ones adorning Scandinavian living rooms. This towering bookcase gives great depth, interest and warmth to a long pale room. The books create a beautiful feature wall, just as patterned wallpaper or wooden paneling might do, whilst also having the added benefit of being useful.